Hello and welcome to my channel Making Money and Finance. I have a new video for you today. What are the essentials of content marketing that you need to know? Before I begin, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. The term content marketing refers to the act of producing, distributing, sharing, and publishing material with the goal of reaching your target audience and so increasing your brand's awareness, sales, engagement, and loyalty. In layman's terms, content marketing is the process of producing materials such as blogs, social media, podcasts, video apps, and memes that attract customers to your brand, by informing them of something they already want to know. Content marketing is a component of a strategy that is referred to as inbound marketing, in which you create something that the audience seeks out, as opposed to creating something that you force on your audience. Over the past few years, content marketing has truly come into its own. It has been demonstrated to be an efficient method for businesses of all sizes, to attract prospects, generate leads, and drive conversions. One of the most appealing aspects of content marketing is the versatility of its presentation. Your content has the potential to be versatile and engaging in a variety of formats, including but not limited to website copy, posts on social media platforms, blogs, and videos. Search engine optimization, sometimes known as SEO, is an essential component of content marketing. If you want your material to be found on search engines, then search engine optimization, SEO, should be an integral element of your content strategy. The more SEO optimized your material is, the greater the likelihood that it will be noticed by the appropriate individuals, at the appropriate time, in the appropriate locations. Before there was such a thing as content marketing, there was this thing called advertising, which is also known as outbound marketing. Outbound marketing was the thing that interrupted your audience, popping up in the middle of TV shows, or while reading a magazine, or scrolling down a web page. Content marketing, on the other hand, was the thing that provided value to your audience, without interrupting them. Because it was so disruptive, outbound marketing was not particularly well received. It was the only option for brands to communicate with potential customers at the time. And it was the only method for customers to learn about the goods and services offered by a brand, but they still needed to keep those brands in mind, when it came time to actually make a purchase. Because it encourages both potential and existing customers to become involved, interactive content has become increasingly popular among companies in recent years. There are many different kinds of interactive content, such as calculators, quizzes, polls, maps, infographics, games, and television shows. The tools that have made it possible for everyone to select their own media diet have, fortunately, also given rise to highly tailored marketing messages that only appear when the audience is seeking for them. The term for this type of marketing is inbound marketing, and content marketing is an integral part of the equation. Customers can see it when they need it, but it disappears out of sight when they don't. In addition, when it is done correctly, inbound marketing doesn't feel like marketing at all. If you want to see more instances of content marketing to build your business, you can watch the video that you are currently seeing as an example. It is designed to make the client feel as though they are experiencing a natural part of the process of finding your brand. Social media activation is another straightforward approach of content marketing, yet despite its seeming simplicity, many companies mess up this strategy. What makes for poor social media marketing is treating social media like outbound marketing, which interrupts the user's experience while they are browsing through their feed. If your material is of high quality, it can continue to attract readers long after it has been published. Nevertheless, in order for it to be truly effective, you will need to continually add new content and update existing content. The island of dormant blogs is the most depressing spot you can visit on the internet. Make sure that you have the resources necessary to commit to a content marketing project over the long term before you start working on one. Podcasting is one of the types of content marketing that is used less and less frequently. When you want to create material that engages people, giving it a human touch is essential. In a world where there is an overwhelming amount of content marketers take great satisfaction in their ability to grab readers' attention, by using the perfect word or phrase or employing comedy. A well-written piece of copy is an art form, and it requires effort to achieve the appropriate tone and message that defines your personality. However, artificial intelligence, AI, is going to become much more advanced in terms of duplicate production in the near future. Google has made significant investments in natural language processing methods over the course of the past few years in order to increase its computer's ability to comprehend search requests. The question now is, where do you begin? To begin, you need to determine what it is that you hope to achieve with the help of your content marketing. Set clear goals and KPIs that can be reached next. Identify which channels will allow you to accomplish your goals, and then work toward achieving those goals. Are you aiming to increase customer loyalty or brand awareness? Do you intend to create your own blog, or will you instead rely on pre-existing social media platforms? Do you think you can effectively explain your narrative with words and photographs, or do you think it would be better to invest in generating videos? After you have made your decision, the next step is to begin developing the material and publishing it at a certain rate. The precise rate of publication can change, but you must always keep in mind that consistency is essential. Do you want your consistency to be perfect, and then evaluate, analyze, and improve upon your outcomes, so that you can get the most out of them? Your investment in content marketing is going to yield a return for you. This does not mean that you should refresh your analytics every hour, but you should look at the success of your content marketing on an overall basis, once a month or once every 3 months. Learn more about how to build and implement your own content marketing plan, and then put that knowledge into action. You can get a free copy on the Internet of Content Marketing worksheet that walks you through the process step by step. If you found this video to be helpful in any way, please forward it to friends, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much for watching.